Good morning kids. In the last class we learnt about the maps, uses of maps and features of maps. I hope you all did your activity. Today we will continue from page number 6, that is types of maps. Mainly there are 3 types of maps: political map, physical map and thematic map. Political map tells the countries, its states, its cities and town. This is the political map of India. It is taken from the Survey of India website. You can go through this website to know more about the maps. For better location of the state, let us see this map. Here you can see the different states with its capital. You can even see the national boundaries. Kids, let us do an activity. You have to pause the video and locate where Andhra Pradesh is in India. And also you have to find out which all states share the state boundaries with Andhra Pradesh. Once you are ready with the answer, play the video. Let's check the answer. Andhra Pradesh is located in the southern eastern part of India and it shares its boundary with Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. Now let us see the next type of map, that is physical map. It shows the physical features like mountains, rivers, sea, plains, deserts and so on. This is the physical map of India. Here you can see this brown color represents the mountain region. You can even see river Ganga and Yamuna originating from this mountain. There is an exercise for you. You have to find out which all states come under this mountain region. Once you are ready with the answer, play the video. Let's check the answer. We all know that Northern Himalaya is located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which is in the north. Then it crosses Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and the northern part of West Bengal. It then extends to Arunachal Pradesh. From there it bends southward and stretches till Mizoram. Now kids, let us see the third type of map, that is thematic map. It is a special purpose map. It gives a particular type of information of that area. This is the example of thematic map of India. Here you can see the heading annual average rainfall. With the help of this key and legend, we can find out which area receives the low rainfall, moderate rainfall and heavy rainfall. So, these are the 3 types of maps. Now, let us discuss the difference between map and globe. Maps are flat drawing of the surface of earth, whereas a globe is spherical in shape. A map gives you lots of information of a particular area, but globe cannot. You can see lots of places at a time in the map, but in globe we cannot. Maps are easy to carry, but globes are not easy as they are bulky. Kids, there is an activity for you. You have to draw the political map of India. You can use different colors to show the states. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.